In today's digitally connected world, Aquascape makes it easy for you to use your smart device to control your water feature. The Aquascape Smart Control Hub for color-changing lights allows you to control your lights from anywhere using the Aquascape Smart Control app on your smartphone or tablet. The Aquascape Smart Control app provides a variety of lighting functions, such as color selection, dimming, color themes, and dynamic scheduling. An astronomical timer function allows lights to be turned on and off automatically based on your location. Integrated, weatherproof, quick connect fittings make setup quick and easy. Simply plug in your lights, pair the hub to your device, and you're set. Create lighting zones or control sets of lights simultaneously by using multiple hubs, further expanding the variety of lighting options. The Aquascape Smart Control Hub for color-changing lights is backed by a limited 5-year full replacement warranty. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.